In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to connect your Gree AC with the Gree Plus mobile app using Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First, make sure your Gree AC is turned on. Now press the Wi-Fi button on your AC remote. You'll hear a beep sound, and the Wi-Fi icon will appear on the remote display. Next, open the Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for Gree Plus. Download and install the app. Once installed, open the app and tap Agree. If you're using it for the first time, click on Register. Select your region. I'm selecting Pakistan. Now enter a unique username, your email address, and a password of your choice. You'll receive an OTP on your email. Enter the OTP to complete the registration. After that, allow the app to access your location. Now tap the plus icon at the top right corner. Make sure your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location are turned on. The app will automatically detect nearby devices. In my case, it's showing my Gree AC. Tap on your AC device. Now select the same Wi-Fi network connected to your phone and enter the Wi-Fi password. Tap Connect and wait a few seconds. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your AC will now connect successfully. You can also rename your device. I'm naming mine My Room. Tap Done and skip the feedback option. Now your connected AC will appear in the app. Tap on it, and you can control the temperature, mode, fan speed, and more directly from your phone. That's it for today's video.